Hello. Good morning. This is a little surprise for the club I'm member of the Tanker. My name is Bo Uta, and maybe some of you have seen me before. Yes. Because from 89 to 95, I was a member of the Danish national team to play for the World Championship in Qatar, not in football. And besides that, I worked with my trumpet at that time, and I'm now a professional trumpet player. And over the years, I've been sitting in symphony orchestras like London Symphony Orchestra, BBC Symphony Orchestra, Royal Philharmonic Orchestra, and the Danish Radio Symphony Orchestra. So I would like to give a little number for you now, and it's called In Denmark I'm Born, and it's Where I Belong. And it's a little spirit for the Danish team, but I hope you will enjoy it too.
To follow, to make a speech following a music like this. It was quite amazing. Thanks to Bo Uta. Amazing. I'm president for the Danish Petanque Federation, and on behalf of the Danish Petanque Federation, I'm very happy to welcome you to Denmark. And I thank you all for attending this arrangement. As you all know, the European Championships and the World Championships are adding 2 more championships. This situation left the veterans with only 1 championship every second year. In Denmark, we thought we have to do something. The veterans, plus 55 years, are in numbers far the biggest group of players. We cannot leave them with only 1 arrangement with international challenges every second year. Some of our visionary veterans members took this initiative to make this arrangement. First, they called it Six Nations Tournament. However, when they saw the interest for the tournament, they had to change the name. Because we are 8 nations today, of course. So already a big success in measure of the numbers of participating countries. And this year, 8 countries are participating. And I'm sure that the interest will grow in the future and that more countries would like to participate next time. At this moment, this group of veterans are already talking about arranging this event next year also. And as president, I will do everything I can to get all the money needed to arrange this, of course. In this weekend, I'm sure that we will see high-level pétanque, as so many great teams are gathered here. Pétanque is a unique sport, as you never grow too old to enjoy the game. And as we have seen numerous times, pétanque games at high level is played by veterans as well. Of course, I hope that you will not forget to enjoy the game too. We hope that you will have a couple of fantastic stays here in Copenhagen and in Hvidovre, and I hope you will enjoy the surroundings at this place in Hvidovre, some of the best place we have in Denmark to play pétanque. I wish you a great tournament in the spirit of sport, with good matches and a friendly atmosphere. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you to Lars, and I will have a little information regarding the scorecard. We need to have one person from each team to come up with Lars and get the scorecard, and there's a scorecard you can read the lanes, and you also have a flag you take out on the lane and put it on the number there. And remember, when you are finished, when the round is finished, so please come back with the scorecard and the flag here on the timetable. Then I will say we have our referee and some of you players talk about license, if we would like to see your license. And I think, no, we don't like to see your license because we have going directly to the federation and we are sure you send correct players to play in our tournament. So, think we don't like to see this. And then I should remember to say the club have arranged, you can drink all the coffee as you like, all the day for free. And I should also remember to say we make streaming for some of the games there, and we will try to get streaming of each team of you can play, so you can call home and try to look at the streaming. But of course this is difficult, but we will try to get all streaming. So please understand me if. So I don't think I have anything more. Only I think now this is the referee. Oh, sorry. Of course, you know, when a little bit stressful, of course. When we are finished here, everybody go out under the flag. We need to have a group photo, okay, so we can go to Facebook and show everybody. We will have all the players, the crew for the club, and everybody that have something to do with the tournament to step on under the flag there before we start. Okay, sorry.
Good morning, everybody. We are 2 referees today. My colleague Claus Petersen and myself, Bjarne Lomholt. And I presume you all know the propositions for the game, and I will just say to you that we start each game with a whistle blow and we end likewise. So you just play the round to the end when you hear the whistle second time. We wish you all a good game and fair play to everybody.
Thank you.
So, it was last, he said to me, we should remember to say only the jack, only throwing one time, and then replacement for the other team. Okay? But now I think we go out and get some photos, and one player for each team go up to last. One player. Yes, all spring is taken. All spring is taken.